Go ahead.
Today we're going to be making homemade mayo, and it's a nice thing to be able to do everything from home, and we're going to be using our instant eggs.
Yes, our Thrive eggs are awesome, and we're going to show you how to do it.
All right, so here's the eggs, and all of our cans for pantry can size are a snap. So we snap it, and there we go. And so we're going to be
we're going to do it in a mason jar, and we're going to start with eggs. But because we're not refreshing the eggs before we add it in, we just add 3 tablespoons of water to 2 tablespoons of the egg powder to make
4.
Yes, we're doing 2
2 eggs.
So 2 tablespoons of powder and 3 tablespoons of water to make 1 egg. And we need 2 eggs to this recipe.
Okay, so this is 4.
Oh, perfect. So now we have 2 eggs in here with the water and the liquid. Then we're going to add our salt.
Okay, so again, we have our Thrive salt, which is iodized.
You can use any salt you want.
So not exactly...
not a full teaspoon,
just...
Yeah. And then we have 2 tablespoons of white vinegar right here that we're going to add to our jar. Okay, then we're going to start blending. Now we're going to just do the immersion blender. And it will take about a minute or so. We're just going to start mixing that up. Once that's incorporated good, then we're going to start adding 2 cups of oil of your choice. You could do it with an avocado oil or an olive oil. We just have a regular canola oil that we're using. So, I'm going to add, just before I add that, we're going to add our mustard powder. This is an optional item. If you don't want to put it in, you don't have to. But we put about 2 tablespoons. I'm using a teaspoon, so I'll add a little extra. Okay, so we add about 2 tablespoons of the mustard powder, which again, like I said, is optional. Then we're going to add the oil slowly as we blend it.
All right, so we're blending, so it's all completely blended, and it's starting to thicken into a mayo. Yeah. All right. Let me move that.
We're going to show you.
I'm going to grab a spoon so we can see the thickness of it. So here we're making our homemade mayonnaise with all of the, so it's, as you can see, it's nice and thick, and it's, there we go.
There's our mayo.
There it is.
And it tastes delicious, and you just whip it up when you need it. You have it nice and fresh. We'll just leave that right there.
Good.
And there's mayonnaise, right from scratch with our Thrive eggs.
So remember
to
share,
like, and follow